In Section 12-4, we need to actually pay our employees. So we've done all the work calculating how much they earned, what their deductions are, preparing a payroll register, and now we need to write the payroll checks. So the first thing to talk about is a voucher check. So if you get paid with an actual physical check, it's most likely a voucher check. And this is a check that is attached to a full sheet of paper, and you can detach the check, and then you're left with a check stub with the information about what you were paid for. It would include your deductions, the hours that you worked, and any other important information. This is an example of a payroll check. So you can see that when you detach the check portion right here and take that to the bank, you are left with this information up at the top that details the amount of hours that you worked and your total earnings, and then all of your deductions that are taken out. And it'll also calculate how much deductions you've had and how much pay you've had year to date. So adding up all your deductions from every paycheck so far that year. And then it will also calculate your year-to-date totals. And then finally, you use that information to write a check for the amount of the net pay, the current net pay. So this $1,175, that is the amount of total earnings minus deductions, gives us our net pay, and that is how much we need to write our check for. Before we write checks to our individual employees, we write one check to the bank that we move money into our payroll account. So we'll fill out the payee, the bank that we have, the date, the description of the paycheck. So this is for the December 15th payroll. The total amount. So this would be the amount for all of our employees combined. We'll write one check and we'll move it to our payroll account. You'd see there that it is the First American Bank payroll account. And then we have that money sitting in our payroll account that we can use to either do direct deposits, as you see here, which electronically transfers money into each individual employee's account, or we write a physical check that comes out of that payroll account that we just put this money into. So that is how we pay our employees based on all the information that we just learned about in Chapter 12.